So my light switch in the garage broke, and I figured it's a light switch. So I took it off. Okay, look, it was doing this. It wasn't lighting the lights no more. So I went and got a switch. Well, I already had switches. I figured it'd just be an easy swap. But look at, there's no mounting brackets because the switch is built into the plate. I've never seen one like this. I'm sure this is common, and I just don't know what I'm doing, but I was just trying to do this without going to the store. So now I got to figure out a way to do this without, I didn't really want to go to the store. And I don't have another box. Well, I do, but then I got to take the box off. I don't know. I'll figure this out. I wonder if I can snap this off the back and drill mounting holes on it. We'll see. All right, so good news. I put the plate part, or the switch part, in the vise and crushed it off with the vise because I know I could have drilled it out, but this was a lot faster. So I just basically exploded it off of here. So now I don't think these mounting holes are going to fit a new switch, but I think if I measure them and make other mounting holes, I can probably put a switch on this plate. So that's the next step. Alright, so I ran the drill press through both sides. I made this, oh, it's not focusing, that upper mounting hole and that lower one, which should line up with the mounting holes on this. And I broke off the extended mounting tabs that I don't need in this case, and this should fit pretty much right on the back of this. Let's make sure I go in the right direction here. Let's go that way, and this way. And yeah, it looks like it should just clear it. Let's see what it looks like in a second. Alright, so that went right on perfectly. One screw is a little off, but doesn't matter. I'm not taking sounding off anyway. So, got a switch on the original plate. Dirty plate, but whatever. And it fits on the back. So I want to mount this up and have lights again. Alright, so that is mounted on there. This switch does have a ground screw on it too, but there's no ground in this box. I could run a ground wire from one of these holes to this switch, but at this point I'm just going to leave it as it is. I mean, it's been like that forever anyway, but I know probably to code you're probably supposed to ground it, but whatever. I'm going to put the plate back on and see if it works. Let's see. That's the lights. And lights. Oh, only one light. Hold on. Okay. That light has issues. Whenever it gets cold out, that light doesn't work all the time. But the switch works. So, yeah, okay. I don't know why that's not. I'll keep an eye on that, but usually, yeah, once it warms up in here, that light will work again. I think like the starter's bad or going or something. Maybe it went already, because I know when this switch was starting to go, when I would play with it, it would make the lights flicker. Maybe the flickering lights blew the starter igniter or whatever the thing's called, the little silver box thing that's in those lights that super electrify it, turn it on. Maybe it broke. Let me try one more time. Nope. Oh well. Ultimately, I want to put some LEDs in these anyway, so I don't care. These fixtures are old, so eventually I want to replace them anyway. But hey, you know what? I have lights again, and also I have garage lights again, because the breaker for the lights in this room are also the breaker for the lights in the garage. So now everything works again. So awesome. It did warm up a little bit in here. I flicked the lights and the other light came on. So I guess it was just the weather being, well, just a light being stupid because of the weather. Anyways, guys, I don't know if it really helps anybody, but I'm just glad I was able to fix this with stuff I had and not have to go to the store and buy more parts.